A very good morning, friends. Today's topic of discussion is essential fatty acids. You may get a short note on this topic, or you may get a case on this topic, that is on Frinoderma, and there are number of MCQs on this topic, essential fatty acids. Before going to the discussion of essential fatty acids, let's first discuss about the fatty acids. These are aliphatic, carboxylic acid with general formula RCOOH. This is a functional group and this is hydrocarbon chain. These fatty acids, they are classified on the basis of total number of carbon atoms. Total number of carbon atoms, they are classified as even chain and odd chain fatty acid. Example of even chain fatty acid is palmitic acid and stearic acid, while odd chain fatty acid is the propionic acid. Now, depending upon the length of hydrocarbon chain, they are classified as short chain fatty acid, medium chain, then long chain and very long chain. Fatty acid. So short chain fatty acids, they include 2 to 6 carbons. Then medium chain, it includes 8 to 14. This includes 14 to 24, and more than 24 it is in the very long chain fatty acids. Now, depending upon the nature of hydrocarbon chain, they are classified as saturated fatty acid and unsaturated fatty acids. So saturated fatty acid contains no double bond. There is no double bond in the saturated fatty acid, while unsaturated fatty acids contain one or more than one double bond. So if the double bond is 1, it is known as mono unsaturated fatty acid, and if it is more than 2, it is known as poly unsaturated fatty acid. Now, coming to the nomenclature of these fatty acids, we'll take one example. From this, we will give the number to the carbon atoms. Take one example. This is fatty acid. The numbering of carbon atom is done from the carboxyl group. The carbon of carboxyl group is known as first carbon. This is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, and this is sixth, and so on, depending upon the length of hydrocarbon chain. The carbon which is adjacent to the carboxyl group is recognized as alpha, beta, gamma, and so on. If we start from the methylene, this is a methylene. It is numbered as omega 1, omega 2, omega 3, omega 4, omega 5. So this is how carbons are numbered in the fatty acid. There is shorthand representation to the fatty acids. For example, palmitic acid. It is a saturated fatty acid with no double bond, and number of carbon atoms in palmitic acid, it is 16. So it is represented as 16 colon. There is no double bond, that's why it is written as 0. Take one example of unsaturated fatty acid, that is linoleic acid. Linoleic acid contains 2 double bond. Number of carbon atoms in linoleic acid is 18. It contains 2 double bonds. The position of double bond from the carboxyl end, it is 9 and 12. So this is a shorthand representation of fatty acid. Palmitic acid 16 number of carbon, no double bond. Linoleic acid 18 carbon, 2 double bond. From the carboxyl end, position is at the 9th carbon and 12th carbon. So this is how they are named. The saturated fatty acids, the suffix anoic is added. Anoic is added to the systematic name, and in the unsaturated fatty acid, suffix enoic is added. So this is how they are named. Now coming to the topic of discussion, that is essential fatty acids. Now coming to the discussion of essential fatty acids, these are the fatty acids which are not synthesized in human body and need to be supplied in the diet. Need to be supplied in diet. There are two essential fatty acids. The first one is the linoleic acid, and second one is the linolenic acid, that is alpha linolenic acid. These are the two important essential fatty acids. Apart from these two, arachidonic acid it is a semi-essential because it is synthesized from a linoleic acid. So arachidonic acid is a semi-essential fatty acid, while linoleic and linolenic, these are the essential fatty acids. Now coming to the functions of essential fatty acid, it has 4 important functions in our body. The first important function of essential fatty acid is it is a component of plasma membrane. It is a component of cell membrane or plasma membrane. It is incorporated into a phospholipid at the carbon 2. So it is important function. It is a major function of essential fatty acid. It is a major constituent of it is a constituent of plasma membrane. Second important function is this arachidonic acid, which is synthesized from linoleic acid. It is a precursor for eicosanoids, which includes prostaglandins, thromboxane, lipoxenes, etc. So it is a precursor molecule for eicosanoid synthesis. These prostaglandins, they are responsible for pain, fever, inflammation. Then third important function, they prevent us from cardiovascular diseases. These essential fatty acids prevents us from cardiovascular diseases. And fourth important function is they act as a lipotropic factor. So they prevent us from fatty liver. They are responsible for mobilization of fat. These essential fatty acids, they are responsible for the reverse transport of cholesterol with the help of HDL. So they prevent us from cardiovascular diseases. Now coming to the omega classification of fatty acid, which includes mainly essential fatty acids. Omega classification, omega series means they are numbered from the methyl end. Okay, and the number is given to the double bond to that carbon, means if double bond CH3, CH2, 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 CH, and so on. This is omega 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is omega 6. So it is written as omega. Take an example of omega 6, omega 5.